everybody, welcome back to Life is Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And it's been another busy week here on the homestead. Remember a couple weeks ago I said that we had made a big purchase? Well, that purchase has led into other projects. Isn't that normal for something? You buy something and then it leads to one thing and then another thing and another thing. Well, I'm still not going to tell you what the big purchase is. But this is what our bedroom looked like Monday. This is what it looked like Wednesday. And this is what it looks like Thursday. So we're getting the area prepped for the big purchase. We just have to finish with the tile. We have to buff it up, and then we have to put a sealer on it, and then we can make arrangements for the next step. So we're running projects that we didn't really think about when we made the purchase. We kind of thought about it, but we had the choice of putting tile down or buying a pre-tiled rug-like thing. So we decided to use up the tile that we had in the garage. So that has been our big project this week. We went to the county fair one night. We went to the Johnson County Fair Friday night and met our son. And we've been up there a few times helping him. He's having a yard sale this weekend, so we were helping him get things organized there. So we've been making a lot of trips back and forth up north. And another thing that I had to do this week is still take care of the 2 cats that we had neutered. Not neutered, they were spaded. We had those done, a week ago Monday. So today is the big day for them. Don't mind the garage mess. It's a mess because of all this construction. But this little guy gets to be let loose today, or this little girl. And my mama cat, she gets to be released today. So that's the big thing for them. They're going to really be happy. So with those 2 cats out of the garage, I can actually start cleaning the crates that they were in and getting them folded back down and stored away until next time. I still have 3 more kittens that as soon as they get to be old enough, we'll make the decision on them whether to have them spayed and neutered. And in the meantime, I can get the garage cleaned out. This is the first time since about September or October last year that there's not been a cat recovering in the garage. We had all winter, we had the 2 kittens that were sick that I had to keep them warm and away from the outside. They were in the garage. And then those were the first 2 to be neutered. And they are so used to being in a crate that they have to go in every night. I have the crate moved outside, and they're in there every night. So I imagine they will be there this winter also. I'll just put straw in the box and leave them on the side porch unless it gets really, really cold. I am still treating them. They showed signs of the respiratory infection again last week, and the vet gave them medicine, which I am to treat. I have been giving it to them all week, and now it's every other day or every 3rd day, and we continue that until the next 4 to 5 weeks. So I have to give them medicine every day, every other day. And been doing a lot of freezing. I've froze a bunch of tomato sauce and okra, and I still need to plant the fall garden inside the greenhouse. It's just been a little bit too hot even to plant the stuff in the greenhouse for the fall. I want to get some lettuce in. And it's no big deal that I don't get it in. If I was doing it outside, I have to get it in by now. But since it's in the greenhouse, it's covered and protected from the frost, so I can plant the lettuce and stuff when it gets a little bit cooler. I got a mosquito in here bothering me. So my next step today is to go out and check, see if anything needs to be harvested and fixed. And then I will vacuum the floor upstairs from where the guys just left from grouting the new tile. And then I'll start working on the garage and getting it a little bit more presentable. I have to make a room for them so they can bring in the big purchase when we're ready. I got the mosquito. Okay, so hope you've enjoyed this video. It's kind of short. We've been doing a lot, but it's not really much to show. And give it a thumbs up if you would. Share it with your friends. And remember, dream big and follow that dream. And you're never too old to get outside and get some exercise and get happy. See you in the next video. Bye, everybody.